Sorry. Hello.
Hi.
This is my sister Allie, and I'm B. Since this is I'm the third person. You two, yeah. We've finally established that yawning is very contagious.
Very contagious.
My baby sister, Yoshi, I call her Yoshi. She yawns all the time, and then a minute after she yawns, I find myself yawning. And then the other day, I saw my mom yawning, and it just the yawn just kept going on and on and on.
Yeah, it's like a chain web that you can't stop. It's just like,
and then it just goes right back in a circle. You see?
I'm tearing. Oh gosh. Jeez, what Friday nights can do to you.
Right? Can't party too hard. You'll tend to forget. But yes, this is our first video, and we decided to discuss yawning, and I honestly think that yawning is a really cool thing, though.
It's
It
contagious.
happens, and you can't even control it.
I want to get a scientist here. I want to get a scientist here ASAP, and prove that yawning is in fact contagious.
I don't think you can do that.
Well, that sucks.
Well, can you? I mean, if you get a scientist, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to pay a lot of money just for you to be like, is yawning contagious? Stop yawning. You're really gonna be yawn.
Well, I mean, I got $3 in quarters. I think.
Oh, so what are you gonna do with
I could
$3?
pay the scientist to say a word or 3.
A word, but you're trying to figure out whether or not yawning is contagious. What, you want a yes or no answer?
No, wait. Yes, yawning is contagious. Oh crap.
You're dumb. Yes, yawning. What if it's what if it's $1 per letter?
I can't even. Oh wait, I could get the word yes out of him, and no would be cheaper.
No would really be cheaper.
Yeah, because it's only 2 letters.